Hi and welcome to the video training of Node.js. In this video training we will be learning about how to create a website downloader. A website downloader is an online web crawler which allows you to download complete websites without installing software on your computer. So in this video training we will be creating a website downloader using an existing npm node library called Website Scrapper. Let's create a project directory. So I'm going to move to the terminal and I'm going to create a directory called website downloader, and I'm going to set permissions for this folder downloader. Now move into the folder and npm init. This will create an empty package.json file. So we are ready to install our package, that is Website Scrapper. It is a scrapper with a single P, so hit enter. Now we have started installation of Website Scrapper in our project directory. It will take a moment, and that's it. We have successfully installed the Website Scrapper tool. So now I'm going to use Sublime Text Editor to create our scrapping code using Node.js, and let's create a constant scrap and require the npm library, that is Website Scrapper. Okay, the second thing we are going to do is we are going to define some options, and within that options we are going to provide URLs which we want to download. This we will add in a moment. And the second important thing is a directory in which you want to download the project in your computer. So these are two important things that you want to provide to the Web Scrapper tool. Afterwards we want to execute the scrapper and provide it with the options that we have defined above, and we are going to call result and here we will say console.log website successfully downloaded. Okay, if something goes wrong, we can catch the error and we can say sorry, an error have occurred. So this is our simple program. Now save this file and let's find a simple web page that we want to scrap onto our computer. So let's go to Google and let's try Pakistan forest. This should be a simple straightforward web page. Okay, here it is. It is United Nations Development Program website of Pakistan, and it looks like a very simple web page. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy the URL from the browser and go to our Node.js code and just paste the URL here. And the directory which I want to store this web page, I'm going to call it forest. I'm going to save the file. I have saved the file, and now let's move on to console. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run our code node index.js and hit enter. So our code have started executing, and it will take some time, maybe a couple of minutes depending on your internet connection. And it is basically downloading that page that we have provided in our code. it will download all the JavaScript files, all CSS files, and all the images that are present on that web page. Okay, we have got the message website successfully downloaded. So let's see the directory, and here you can see the forest folder. So if we go into that forest folder, you can see we have index.html, JavaScript, images, CSS, favorite icon, fonts, and JS1 folder. So we have got everything as we wanted. So if I go to this folder of my project directory, it is home and projects and node and website downloader, and here is the forest folder. So I'm going to open the forest folder on my computer. So if I double click, you see I have the same web page that we downloaded from the internet, and it is on my local computer, and I have the source code and everything. But you might be noticing one thing, that the image is not there. So you might need to do a little tweaking within the code of forest. So if you want to do that, you just need to edit index.html. You need to go to the image tag, and here you see you just need to remove all this and just keep the source attribute. Save the file and refresh the page, and there you go, you have the image now. Basically the image was stored in the images folder, here it is, but it wasn't running because the code image source set is looking for other images that are provided depending on different screen resolutions. So we just skipped that and we use the image that has been downloaded, and there you go. So this is quite simple, and I hope you have understood how it works. Okay, this is the step that I have already told you. Go to the directory where you downloaded the website, open index.html, and that's it. So please note that this scraper is only for learning purposes, and it might not be able to download some websites on the internet, as some web hosts have restrictions and permission checks for scrapers. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to contact me at umehmood@gmail.com if you need my help, and you can connect me on LinkedIn or my Twitter handle. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. See you next time with a new topic in Node.js.